Hey guys, I'm Prabjot Kaur. After my class 12 board exams, I found myself stuck in a dilemma, trying to figure out what I should choose in the future. As a computer science student, I had already studied programming and technology in school. But honestly, I still felt confused about the direction I wanted to take. That was when I got invited to join the YIC Young Innovator Internship Challenge by Scalar School of Technology. At first, I joined because I had free time after exams. But I never expected these 4 sessions to completely change the way I looked at technology, innovation, and even my own future. And throughout this journey, our mentor and host, Disha ma'am, made every session engaging and comfortable. Session 1, AI User to Builder. The first session was conducted by Akanksha ma'am on 19th April. This session introduced us to the world of artificial intelligence. But not just as users. We explored how we could become builders. We learned about NLP, APIs, LLMs, prompt engineering, Google Teachable Machines, and Notebook LM. Even after studying computer science in school, many of these concepts felt completely new and exciting to me. And one of the funniest moments of the internship happened during this session. While demonstrating Google Teachable Machines, the AI model started focusing more on the fan and the stuffed toy in the room instead of Akanksha ma'am herself. Everyone burst out laughing. That moment made AI feel less intimidating and more human. And that session made me realize something important. AI is not magic. It is built by people who are curious enough to experiment. Session 2, How Computers Actually Work. The second session was conducted by Kshitij sir on 28th April. This session completely changed the way I looked at computers. Usually, we use devices every single day without thinking about what happens internally. But this session explained how computers actually manage and process data. We learned about binary code, memory hierarchy, data structures and algorithms, arrays, hash maps, trees, time complexity, hashing, and memory optimization. What I loved most was how practical everything felt. Instead of memorizing definitions, we understood why efficiency matters, why some programs are faster than others, and how problem solving is often more important than simply writing code. This session made me appreciate the logic behind technology even more. Session 3, Web Development. The third session was conducted by Aditya sir on 3rd May. This session focused on web development. We explored HTML, CSS, JavaScript, the difference between websites and web apps, front-end and back-end systems, client-server communication, and even how platforms manage millions of users at once. We also learned terms like latency, bandwidth, buffering, and packet loss. This session showed us that the websites and apps we use every day are far more complex than they appear. And of course, one unforgettable moment from this session was Arnav's hilarious chat message. "Thank you, sir. Love you. Will you marry me?" That message instantly made the session chaotic and funny. Sometimes, these unexpected moments become the most memorable parts of learning. Session 4, My Personal Favorite. The fourth session on 10th May was personally my favorite. It was conducted by Lucky Soni sir, founder of Evro Nutrition, who has also appeared on Shark Tank. Unlike the previous technical sessions, this one focused more on entrepreneurship, consistency, and problem solving. Lucky sir shared his personal journey of building a startup with his brother and best friend. What inspired me the most was his mindset. He explained that even though he openly shares his recipes and ideas, people still cannot copy what he has built. Because success is not just about ideas. It is about execution, consistency, skills, and the willingness to do what others are not willing to do. I genuinely loved the concept behind Evro Nutrition. The idea of making jams and spreads using real fruits instead of artificial ingredients felt meaningful and unique. One thing Lucky sir said stayed with me deeply. No idea is truly unique. Many people can think of the same idea. But what makes you different is your consistency and execution. Another inspiring moment was when he shared that he hired 2 undergraduates simply because of their skills and ability to think outside the box. That statement alone changed the way I looked at skills and education. He also recommended the book, Hard Things About Hard Things. And honestly, his entire session felt like a real-life version of that title. Most importantly, his advice about staying consistent even when things become difficult really stayed with me. This session actually helped me overcome the stream selection dilemma I was facing after class 12. And for that, I will always be thankful. Conclusion. When I first joined YIC, I thought it would simply be another online internship. But by the end of these 4 sessions, I realized it became much more than that. It introduced me to new technologies. It improved my understanding of computer science beyond school textbooks. It showed me how innovation works in the real world. And most importantly, it helped me gain clarity about my future. From AI and algorithms to web development and entrepreneurship. Every session taught me something valuable. And maybe the biggest lesson of all was this. Success does not come from having the most unique idea. It comes from consistency, skill, curiosity, and the courage to keep improving. Thank you to all the mentors, speakers, and especially Disha ma'am for making this journey memorable.